Hello and welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Fame Frequency over the weekend hosted the most watched Soca and Dancehall event this year. The virtual party, which trended at #1, is aimed at filling the void caused by the lack of carnival events due to the current restrictions for entertainment across the Caribbean and the world. The show saw a special segment where the DJs mixed old and new hits from the genres. King Taj and DJ Roderick impressed with the mix of some old and new soca tunes.
Let's go! A hooligan, hey! Cause what?
Dancehall, soca, all the works, you don't know, big up to everybody who joined in. Heard some international people come in, people from Canada, Grenada, Trinidad. What I did is mix the old with the new, and that is the predominant for the entire show. But what I didn't go too far back. I keep it into the mid-2000s to the latest ones.
While newcomer Kamar Genius and Wizkid remixed some old and new dancehall songs.
Butterfly. Okay.
Winding up their waistline. Butterfly.
Man style different, step up and then pepper hot. This afternoon me have the whole pepper pot. Money I make even if me take a nap, then my wife got the letterbox. Me are the bad uncle, she are the bad auntie.
So it's my debut on Fame Frequency, and it's an exciting feeling. At first I was like nervous, but God is...
Girl, I say my creed bad like a Miggles. Take what your girl, them I say me shouldn't be. Bring the vibes that the world melody. And everybody fear.
I chose the dancing songs, really, but I mean, everything go. I mean, our music process, so we know how to mix it up and blend it up and make sure so everybody can dance and enjoy themselves.
What a night! Fame Frequency moves into Reggae Month with a series of special shows geared at showcasing the island's music. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.